Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Lightspeed Internet. Lightspeed, a deep dive into this high-speed internet provider. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Lightspeed Internet, from its key features and ideal user base to how it stacks up against the competition. Lightspeed has carved a niche for itself by delivering fiber-optic internet, providing users with the fast and reliable connections crucial for demanding online activities like HD streaming, gaming, and working remotely. One of Lightspeed's most attractive features is its impressive range of speed offerings. They cater to a wide spectrum of users, from those with basic browsing needs to power users requiring gigabit speeds. This makes Lightspeed an excellent choice for both households and businesses that rely on high-performance internet access. Thanks to their fiber-optic network, Lightspeed boasts low latency and minimal buffering, which is a game-changer for activities like video conferencing or any online task demanding a stable connection. Lightspeed offers a variety of flexible plans designed to fit the needs of individuals, families, and businesses alike. These plans are tiered based on speed, starting with basic options ideal for casual browsing and email, and scaling up to high-speed plans capable of supporting multiple devices and data-intensive activities such as gaming and large file uploads. Their pricing is competitive within the market, although users in rural or less densely populated areas might face availability challenges. A significant advantage of choosing Lightspeed is their responsive customer support. They offer assistance through multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat, providing valuable peace of mind should you encounter any issues during installation or beyond. However, it's important to be aware of Lightspeed's limited coverage area. If you reside outside their service regions, you'll unfortunately need to explore alternative providers. Furthermore, while their speeds are generally impressive, users with extremely high data demands might find themselves needing to opt for the higher-tier plans to fully satisfy their requirements. In conclusion, Lightspeed is a solid option for users who prioritize speed and reliability, particularly families and professionals with heavy internet usage. If you're in the market for a high-performance internet provider, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.